Hi students, now let us discuss about mechanism of action of lipid soluble hormones. What about lipid soluble hormones? Lipid soluble hormones interact with the intracellular receptors. It is important. Intracellular receptors. Receptors are two types: membrane bound receptors and intracellular receptors. Receptors bind to the cell membrane. These are membrane bound receptors. Okay. Hormones which are attaches binds with the membrane bound receptors do not enters into the inner part of the target cell. Student, already you know about this. And hormones interact with the intracellular receptors. Receptors present in the inner part of the cell is called intracellular receptors. Okay. Hormones binds with the interact with the ICR, intracellular receptors. These are the hormones are lipid soluble hormones, student. Okay. Lipid soluble hormones. Which are the lipid soluble hormones? Steroid hormones are lipid soluble hormones. Okay. Steroid hormones. Steroid hormones are these are the derivatives of the cholesterol. Derivatives of the cholesterol. Steroid hormones are. In this, androgens. Androgens are estrogen, testosterone, progesterone also. These are the steroid hormones. Okay. These are the hormones diffuses through cell membrane. These are the hormone molecules diffuses through the cell membrane of the cell and entered into the cytoplasm. Okay, student. Cytoplasm of the cell. And hormone receptor complex. Hormone receptor complex. Hormone when combines with the intracellular receptors and forms the hormone receptor complex. This is the hormone receptor complex and not also entered into the nucleus. Not only cytoplasm of the cell and also entered into the hormone receptor complex enters into the nucleus, inner part of the nucleus, to regulate gene expression. To regulate gene expression for producing some amount of the effect. In this is a receptor. This is a mechanism. This is a mechanism by the steroid hormones. Is also called mobile receptor mechanism. Mobile receptor mechanism. Example, aldosterone. Aldosterone is the example. What about the aldosterone, student? Already you know about this hormone. This is the aldosterone. He secretes from the zona glomerulosa of the adrenal cortex of adrenal gland. This is the zona glomerulosa of the adrenal cortex secretes mineralocorticoids. The chiefest mineralocorticoid is aldosterone. Okay, student. And in this aldosterone, what about the function of the aldosterone? Aldosterone goes to the action on the wall of renal tubule. Cells of the renal tubule. Okay. This is the aldosterone stimulates reabsorption of the water and sodium levels present in the renal filtrate, which is passes through the lumen of the renal tubule. This is the aldosterone. In this way, it is maintains sodium and the water levels in the body. Okay, student. says about the aldosterone. Okay. Now this is the mechanism of action of the lipid soluble hormone is discussed with the aldosterone hormone. What about the functioning of the aldosterone hormone on the target cell? Aldosterone receptor complex. Aldosterone receptor complex. Student, this is the hormone. This is the cell membrane of the target cell. This is the cytoplasm of the inner part of the cell. This is the hormone, aldosterone molecule. Diffuses through the cell membrane, student, and entered into the cytoplasm. Okay, in the cytoplasm receptors are there. These are the receptors are specific to certain hormones. It is important. And forms the hormone receptor complex. Hormone and receptor complex. Since the hormone receptor complex enters into the nucleus from the cytoplasm. Okay. This is the hormone receptor complex attaches to the DNA molecule. It is the DNA molecule, DNA strand attaches to the DNA molecule in the nucleus, and by stimulation of the hormone receptor complex, this is produces mRNA. DNA molecule produces mRNA, messenger RNA. mRNA means it is the one type of the RNA, messenger RNA. What about the messenger RNA? Messenger RNA, that is single stranded molecule, RNA molecule that consists sequential arrangement of the genes and produces by the transcription process. Okay, to regulate the gene expression. Okay, student, it is about the mRNA. Complex enters into the nucleus, bind to the DNA, and stimulate production of a specific mRNA molecule. mRNA molecule is produces, and mRNA enters into cytoplasm. mRNA is enters into the cytoplasm, student. Okay, this is the mRNA. This is the mRNA. And attaches to ribosomes. mRNA is attaches with the ribosomes. Ribosomes, what do you know about ribosomes? Ribosomes are the smaller particles present in the cytoplasm. Okay, consist RNA. Ribosomes consist RNA. Function to synthesize proteins, polypeptides. Ribosomes is also attaches to endoplasmic reticulum in the cytoplasm. Okay, these are the ribosomes. Based on the information provided by mRNA, synthesize polypeptides. Synthesize polypeptides causes producing specific proteins, student. Okay, it is about the functioning of the aldosterone hormone on the target cell. Student, in this, hormone entered into the cytoplasm and forms the hormone receptor complex. Hormone receptor complex is also entered into the nucleus. Nucleus to regulate the gene expression and to produce the final effect by the cell. Okay, this is the DNA strand produces mRNA molecule. From the nucleus, mRNA entered into the cytoplasm. Okay, which consists sequential arrangement of the genes. mRNA is the single-stranded molecule that is produced by the transcription process. Okay, ribosomes are attached to the mRNA based on the information on the mRNA. The type of the ribosomes produces polypeptides or the proteins. Okay, these are the proteins are necessary, important in biological activities of the body. Okay, student. This is about the mechanism of action of lipid soluble hormones.